So as you can see, the console is like off, right? Turned off, like nothing happening, like no noise, everything is normal, right? So now I turn it on, right? Then there is this small noise which is heard, which is expected type of, as the console is just launching, right? Okay, so the console is on, right? And you can hear already, like there's a type of like a little buzzing being heard around. And then I will launch again. So as soon as I start, the game is launching, the noise is starting to increase. So now you can hear the noise is producing, right? And then if I can just try a stupid game. So now you can hear that noise. It's like something buzzing inside, like something being eaten. I'm not exactly sure. So there are a lot of people reporting these issues, like on Reddit and like YouTube. Actually, there was a guy in the US who got his console replaced by Sony because of this. So I'm not sure exactly what should happen.